This is a tutorial video on H2 on VQE. And we will be doing this video on Google Colab. For that, we need to install Blueqat Open Fermion in Google Colab. We can install Blueqat Open Fermion by a code. !pip install Blueqat Open Fermion Blueqat Open Fermion. And do not forget to type ! in the beginning. Now, let's try it on Google Colab. Type in the code that was shown earlier. After typing, click on play button for execution of the code. It will take time for complete installment of Open Fermion Blueqat. After installment, let's move on with next step. Now, let's import all of the components required for the execution of programming code. We will use the following code. Let's move on with Google Colab. Type in the code that was shown earlier. After importing, we will move on with next code. By the following code, we will get the basic molecule info from the bond length of molecule. Let's see in Google Colab. Type in block of code that was shown earlier. Now with the following code, it will check the basic molecule energy on H2 as bond length of 0.4. And let's check in Google Colab. These are the answer for the bond length. Following code is used to get as fermion operator. These are the answer for the fermion operators. Let's convert fermion operator to Pauli operator of quantum computation, which can be done by the following code. Now let's do it on Google Colab. Now print H will print fermion operator. Then the following code will convert it to Pauli operator. Now print H will print Pauli operator of quantum computation. And these are the values. By using this Pauli operator we can calculate the result of molecule energy by using VQE, which can be done by the following code. Let's see in Google Colab. Type in the code that was shown earlier. Here in this code T should be capital. This is the answer for molecule energy. We can check what happened inside the gate simulation as QASM format by the following code. Let's try it on Google Colab. Type in the code that was shown earlier. Finally we can get the molecule energy as plotted figure by the code shown below. Let's try it on Google Colab. Type in the code that was shown earlier. For execution it might take a little time. This is the final graph. We got energy of hydrogen and also a graph on molecule energy. Thank you for watching this video.